Don't you just hate it when you're studying and then click on a couple websites and then 2 hours later realize that you've just wasted half a day just surfing weird websites? Well, here I'm going to show you a nice plugin for Google Chrome that will stop all that, will hopefully stop all that. And so let's assume that you are playing around, you're studying for your CCNA, CCNP, CCIE, whatever. You're doing good stuff, you're on Pack to Life, you're focused, you're good. And then you go over here to, let's say, you open up YouTube, you start surfing a couple videos, you start looking at Elon Musk interviews, right? So you waste about 15 minutes there, then you go over to ROUTERGODS, right? Yeah, you surf a couple of the Cisco videos, and then you get into my Bangkok Motor Show videos, and then you waste a couple more hours there. Then you figure you want some nice tactical pants, you go over to Cheaper Than Dirt, Turners, you buy a gun, you buy another quad-core processor or something you didn't need. Then you go on Reddit and you look at cat pictures, right? So that's like 8 hours of nothing that you could have used studying. Well, there's a plugin called Stayfocused that you can install inside of Google Chrome. And what you can do is you can put websites into block lists or blocked sites. So right here, this is the settings for Stayfocused. We've got blocked sites right here. So you can add in stuff like Facebook and YouTube and that type of stuff. And there's two ways of using this. You can set an allowed time. So you can say, in one day, I can give you 1 hour of surfing those sites, right? And if you hit that 1 hour, then you are blocked from all that stuff. Another way you could do is you could do the nuclear option. And the nuclear option is really cool. The nuclear option says just freaking block it, right? For a certain time. So what you could do is you could just say block all websites, that's really nuclear option. You can't serve anything. Block websites in the block sites list. So you can go to, hopefully you don't put google.com in your block sites list, because then that means you can't search. But that's up to you. But let's say you put Facebook into block sites. What this means is you will be blocked from Facebook for an hour or however long, but all the other sites are okay, right? So this is a really nice thing to do. Now you may be asking yourself, well, I've used other blocking programs and I cheat, right? So one way that people cheat is they turn the damn thing off, right? Or they use another browser. Well, there's nothing really in here that will stop you from opening up Firefox and browsing that way. But there is a pretty evil way of blocking you from cheating in this program, assuming you stay in Google Chrome. So what you could do is you could say, well, I'm going to block it, and then in the settings, you've got require challenge. So what this means is if you try to change the settings, you will be required to type something in. And here, this means that this is a 400, just some crazy text. You got to type all that in to change the settings. Now, of course, this is going to be crazy if you forget, if you mess up, and you'll be blocked. And of course, they give you a warning right here. If you enter something really long and difficult, you'll have to complete the challenge with that text before you can change it. So what this means is, this is really stopping you from cheating, right? Okay, so how do you get this? Very, very easy. You can just go to, over here, your Google Chrome settings, the 3 bars. Then you can go to Tools, and then Extensions. Okay. So right here, what you want to do is you want to get more extensions down here at the bottom. And just look for Stay Focused. Once you get to Stay Focused, it's down here. I've already added it. Just click on that guy and then click over here. It says added to Chrome because I've already added it, but then on your screen, you'll just click the icon, click this corner right here to have it installed into your Google Chrome. And then what's going to happen is you're going to get a icon in the upper right hand corner. You click on that guy, and then you can see right here, I've set it for 10 minutes. You can start blocking sites, or you can go the nuclear option and just say, okay, I'm studying right now, F the web type thing. Okay, so this is a pretty awesome tool for keeping focused. I use it quite a bit if I really want to hunker down and study. It's free and it works. Once again, my name's Humphrey Cheung with ROUTERGODS. Thanks for watching.